Hi, welcome to Your Crafts. Today we are showing you our full 6 tin kit. This kit includes everything you need to make 6 container candles. Right, let's open the kit up. First we have our instruction booklet. We have designed these instructions to be as detailed as possible. They will take you step by step through the candle making process. Then we have a bit of shredded paper. This stops everything moving around on its way to you. It can be recycled with your paper recycling. We have our candle making thermometer. We designed this thermometer to guide candle makers with correct temperatures for adding fragrance and pouring. It is colour coded and has a useful clip to attach to a jug. We have a little booklet which shows you how to read the thermometer correctly. Now we have 2 medium round silver tins. And 4 silver heart tins. Here is 50 milliliters of your chosen fragrance oil. With over 70 fragrances to choose from, we are sure you'll find one you love. Then we have 400 grams of Kerasoy container wax. As the name suggests, this is a soy wax, in easy pastels to weigh out. Then we have our wick pack. This includes safety stickers for the bottom of your candles. 6 Guido VRL wicks. These are longer than needed for the containers so that when you have made your candles and the wax is set, you will need to trim them 5mm to 1 cm above the wax line. Then we have 6 wick holders. You thread a wick through the hole in the centre and pop on your tin to keep the wick centralised while you pour the wax and it sets. These are wick stickies to attach your wicks to the bottom of the tins. A pipette so you can measure out the correct amount of fragrance for the amount of wax you have melted. We have 2 packets of dye. These are Becro dyes and are chosen at random, so it is a lucky dip what colour you will receive in your kit. Lastly, we have a plastic jug. You can use this when measuring out the wax or if you choose to melt your wax in the microwave. That's everything that's included in the kit. Thank you for watching.